Child runs out of the room. Child swears at you. Child tells you where to go. Take your mother with you. Hey, I once said to a kid, hey, go in the room so you're not late. And he said, yeah, why don't you go in your room and teach like you get paid to? I was like, You ever walked away from a child and gotten the finger and you knew it? You're like, oh, yeah. That event triggered my automatic thought. We said earlier, way in the beginning, that our automatic thoughts are based on the way we were raised, and that's the reason why disrespect is so tough for us. We can always hang on to our automatic thought. My thought about that young man at that moment was he's a punk, okay? And there was nothing that administration could do to punish this kid that was gonna make me happy. And that happens to us. And you can have that automatic thought, no one can take that away from you. The problem is that you gotta catch the emotion that goes with it, which means you have to change your perception. And you gotta say, don't assume this kid knows what he said. Don't assume that I'm not the target of something that happened earlier. Don't assume any of that. Now you have control. Take back the control. All right, take back the control so you might be able to manage it better. And what could happen if it gets out of control and now we get into what's called a power struggle. All right, so what I call the compliance meter, which is in your handout, don't keep putting quarters or don't keep putting money in that meter just because you want compliance. When you get in compliance mode, you're not going to be as rational as you think you could be.